dear friends. I, Nidhi,
And me, Mohit.
we all are here observed a very special day, a day that honors the dedication, courage, and sacrifice of our brave soldiers. Yes, today is Army Day.
That's right. It's 27th Army Day. Army Day is observed every year on 15 Jan to commemorate the day when General K.M. Karyappa took over as the first Commander-in-Chief of Indian Army in 1949. This day recognized the invaluable contribution of the Indian Army in protecting our borders and ensuring the safety and security of our nation.
Absolutely. The Indian Army has always stood as the pillar of strength, and today we take a moment to express our gratitude to all the soldiers who have selflessly served our country, safeguarding our freedom and values.
So now we are very excited to present the beautiful performance that will surely touch your heart. Now without further ado, we invite Pragna and Srijon to the stage for their performance. Let the music fill the air.
पूदहित्वा सङ्गभावं नाशयित्वा हीनभावं पूदहित्वा सङ्गभावं नाशयित्वा हीनभावं नवशताब्दे कलियुगाब्दे सकलधर्मो विजयताम् राष्ट्रभक्तिं सामरस्यं दक्षसम्पत्प्रार्थनाभिवद्य हित्वा स्वाभिमानं पाञ्चजन्यं श्राव्यतां दीर्घतपसा पूर्णमनसा चारुवचसा वीरकृत्या.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Dhruv Sharma, and today I'm going to talk about the Indian Army Day. January 15 is an important day for India. This day is celebrated every year as Indian Army Day. January 15 is the day of honoring the soldiers who protect the border and enhance the pride of India. India's 77th Army Day is being celebrated this year. Military parades, military exhibitions, and other programs are also organized at New Delhi and all army headquarters on January 15. On this occasion, the country remembers the courage of the army, their bravery, and their sacrifices. But the question is, why is the Indian Army Day celebrated on January 15 only? So, Indian Army Day 2024 is celebrated every year on January 15. On the occasion of Indian Army Day, the whole country remembers the bravery and indomitable courage and the sacrifice of the army. This day is celebrated in the honor of Field Marshal K.M. Karyappa. Born in Kurg, Karnataka in 1899, Field Marshal Karyappa joined the British Indian Army at the just 20 years of age. Karyappa retired from the army in 1953. The East India Company formed in the Indian Army in 1776 in Kolkata. Indian Army Day is celebrated on January 15 by organizing military parades and other shows of strength in the Army Command Headquarters in Delhi and other parts of the country. On this day, the Army Day Parade is organized at the parade ground in Delhi. This is the biggest event among all the programs of Army Day. Now I would like to hand over the mic to Yashashwani Motla.
Why is this day special? The Indian Army was formed in 1776 by the East Indian Company in Kolkata. The British commander occupied the army before the country's independence. When the country became independent in 1947, the Indian Army was headed by British origin. About 2 years later, on 15 January 1949, the last British Commander-in-Chief of independent India, General Francis Butcher, handed over the command of Indian Army to Indian Lieutenant General K.M. Karyappa. He became the first Indian military commander of independent India. It is one of the most important events in the history of India. That is why January 15 is celebrated every year as Indian Army Day. One of the motives of celebrating Army Day is to salute all the soldiers engaged in its service. Who is Lieutenant General K.M. Cariappa? Before the country's independence, the army was occupied by the British commander. Even after the country's independence in 1947, the Indian Army was headed by British origin. In 1949, the last British commander-in-chief of independent India was General Francis Butcher. India Lieutenant General K.M. Cariappa replaced him. He was the first Indian military officer of independent India and led the Indian Army in the war between India and Pakistan. Thank you.
Achievements of Cariappa. Cariappa led the Indo-Pakistan War of 1947. After retirement, he was given the rank of Field Marshal in 1986. Apart from this, he also received the Order of British Empire for defeating the Japanese in Burma in the Second World War. We, the defenders of the nation, are steadfast towards empowering our force to restructuring and induction of modern weapon system for future conflicts. Emerging technologies such as artificial intelligence, cyber warfare, robotics, and aerospace, which have the potential for military application and a disruptive impact on the modern day warfare, are being explored and inducted. Why is this day celebrated? The Indian Army Day is celebration of not only our brave soldiers, but also the transfer of power from British rule to India. That is why each year it is celebrated in all Army Command headquarters with great gusto and pride. Alongside this, the Indian Army Day also usually involves a showcase of all the weapons in the Indian Army arsenal. The latest kind of weapons, drones, helicopters, etc. are displayed with great pride. The Indian Army is celebrating the 77th Army Day. Every year, Army Day is celebrated at all the Army Commands headquarters in order to honor the soldiers of our country who have set the greatest example of selfless service and brotherhood. According to the Global Power Index 2017, India's army is considered the world's fourth strongest army. According to the index, America, Russia, and China have a better army than India. India's neighboring Pakistan is ranked 13 on this list.
To conclude, I would like to say that the soldiers of the Indian Army are the epitome of intelligence, bravery, and patience. There are many benefits of joining the army, and one of them is an unmatched reputation. Our army ranks fourth in the world in all military aspects. The Indian Army sacrifices their lives to save our nation, which is the biggest reason to respect them in every manner. So, to respect them, we celebrate Indian Army Day every year. Last year, the day was celebrated with great enthusiasm, and this year, the theme Samarth Bharat Saksham Sena has enriched the experience. Thank you.
Thank you for telling us the importance of the day. It is really inspiring. It is now time for a heartfelt poem that will surely inspire and move you. Let us emerge ourselves in the power of poetry. So let's welcome Shriya Karthik and Mohan Raj to present a poet.
दुनिया में मिल जाएंगे आशिक कहीं, लेकिन वतन से खूबसूरत सनम नहीं होता। दुनिया में मिल जाएंगे आशिक कहीं, लेकिन वतन से खूबसूरत सनम नहीं होता। पैसों में लिपट कर, सोने में सिमट कर मेरे है कहे, लेकिन तिरंगे से खूबसूरत कफन नहीं होता। जय हिंद। मैं श्रिया,
मैं मोहन राज
आपके समक्ष कविता प्रस्तुत करने जा रहे हैं।
जो कहते हैं जिन्हें मौत से डर नहीं लगता, जो कहते हैं जिन्हें मौत से डर नहीं लगता, या तो वो झूठे नहीं तो भारत का सिपाही है। इंडियन आर्मी के ऑफिसर्स और सोल्जर्स जिन्होंने अपने देश के लिए बलिदान दिया, मैं उन ऑफिसर्स और सोल्जर्स को ये कविता समर्पित करता हूँ। जान को जो देश पर कुर्बान किए जाते हैं, मिट्टी पे जो अपने अभिमान किए जाते हैं, माँ है ये मेरी, इसे छूने ना पाए कोई भी। माँ को देकर खून माँ का मान किए जाते हैं। चीर के देखो हर एक सीने में एक रंग है, जिंदगी हिंदुस्तान के नाम किए जाते हैं।
एक आग आखिरी ख्वाहिश, मेरी मौत का मातम ना करना, मैंने खुद ये शहादत चाही है। मैं जीता हूँ मरने के लिए, मेरा नाम सिपाही है, मेरा नाम सिपाही है।
ए माँ, भरोसा रखना अपनी संतानों पर, हम तिरंगा लहरा देंगे आसमानों पर। दुश्मनों सुन लो, हमें झुकना नहीं आता, तुम्हारी गोलियां कम है, हमारी छातियां ज्यादा। हमें पहचान लो, हम वो है जो तीरों पे लेटे थे, महाभारत लड़े थे, हम उन वीरों के बेटे हैं।
शहादत जश्न दोनों एक है अपनी कहानी में, हम वो मौत प्यारी है जो आती है जवानी में। हमारे नाम पर ढोलक बजेगी दो जहानों में, मरेंगे यूं कि हम जिंदा रहेंगे दास्तानों में।
हिंदुस्तान को नाज होगा हम दीवानों पर, ए माँ भरोसा रखना अपनी संतानों पर, हम तिरंगा लहरा देंगे आसमानों पर।
धन्यवाद।
Thank you for presenting a beautiful poem.
We celebrate not just the art of dance, but the incredible discipline, unity, and courage that define the soldiers. So let's welcome Anusri and Subhamita for the dance performance.
जय हिंद। मैं सौम्या शर्मा, क्लास एनडीए, आज आप सभी के सामने एक नगमा पढ़ना चाहती हूँ। ये नगमा हजरत मोहानी जी ने लिखा है, जिसे संशोधित किया है राम प्रसाद बिस्मिल जी ने। नगमा कुछ इस प्रकार है। सरफरोशी की तमन्ना अब हमारे दिल में है, देखना है जोर कितना बाजुए कातिल में है। वक्त आने पर बता देंगे तुझे ऐ आसमां, हम अभी से क्या बताएं क्या हमारे दिल में है। सरफरोशी की तमन्ना अब हमारे दिल में है, खींच कर लाई है सबको कत्ल होने की उम्मीद, आशिकों का आज जमघट कूचा ये कातिल में है। सरफरोशी की तमन्ना अब हमारे दिल में है। हम तो बिस्मिल निकले ही थे बांध के सर पे कफन, हौसला ये देख के कातिल बड़ी मुश्किल में है। सरफरोशी की तमन्ना अब हमारे दिल में है लिए हथियार दुश्मन ताक में बैठा उधर, और हम तैयार हैं सीना लिए अपना इधर। खून से खेलेंगे होली कर वतन मुश्किल में है, सरफरोशी की तमन्ना अब हमारे दिल में है। सरफरोशी की तमन्ना अब हमारे दिल में है। धन्यवाद।
We are honored to hear inspiring words that will remind us of the strength, resilience, and the limitless potential of women in every field. Through this speech, we hope to ignite a deeper understanding of how empowering women not only uplifts individuals but enriches society as a whole. So let's welcome Varun onto the stage.
It's a pleasure to address you this afternoon as the chief guest, principal, vice principal, teachers, and my dear friends. Today, as we gather here to celebrate 77th Indian Army Day, I'm honored to stand before you to talk about a topic that is both close to my heart and vital for the future of our nation, women empowerment in the armed forces. Army Day is a tribute to the courage, discipline, and dedication of our armed forces. It is a day to honor the brave hearts who protect our borders, ensuring the safety and sovereignty of our motherland. And today, this strength is no longer confined to men. Women too are proving their mettle on the battlefield. As we all know that women in the armed forces are known as a rising force. India's history is rich with example of great women warriors from Rani Lakshmibai to Begum Hazrat Mahal. Women have always stood tall in defense of their land. In the modern era, this legacy continues with trailblazing women in the Indian Armed Forces. In 1992, women were first inducted into the Indian military in non-medical roles. Since then, the journey has been remarkable. Today, they serve as pilots, engineers, and combat roles. As of 2023, in Indian Army, over 1,700 women officers have been inducted, with trailblazers like Captain Tanya Shergill, who led the Republic Day Parade in 2020. Lieutenant General Punita Arora, the first woman to command a major hospital in the armed forces. And Captain Shika Sorabi, the first woman officer in the Indian Army to be awarded Sena Medal. The facts and achievements achieved by our women in the Indian Armed Forces are not less. Let's know about them. Women in combat roles. In 2020, women were inducted into the Corps of Military Forces, a stepping stone towards their integration in combat roles. Permanent Commission. In 2021, the Supreme Court granted permanent commission to women officers, allowing them to take on
I wanna be the best in the game, invest in my name. Check no restraints, I'm obsessed with the pain. I ingest, I retain, assess and I change. Possessed by the thought I'll be free one day from society's restraints. Money, clout and fame, mud, disease, a plague. We all love to hate, have to play the game, have to make a name. All our insecurities are on display. This is war with the enemy, think that it was meant to be. Living in a time where disease is on every screen. I won't let them fester me, I know most are festering. Negativity is a plague for the mentally weak. No mercy, all I got is working. Never stop searching, never quench the thirsty. I'm toxic and psychotic, with this logic you can't stop it. It's been chronic since I was a boy, so neurotic and chaotic. Built to last with the webs I'm weaving. I could change the past with all I'm achieving. Got my foot on gas, never stop competing. If you break like glass, then this life's gonna eat 'em. Make mistakes real fast, then you learn how to beat 'em. If you take off the cast, you can see all the healing. If the pain's in the past.
On this proud and honored day, we salute those. On this proud and honored day, we salute those who light our way. Though trials fears on the duty's name, the Indian Army earns its fame. From the icy peaks to deserts wide, they stand as Bharat's shield and guide. Though restless seas and forests deep, their watch ensures our dreams can sleep. Each step they take, a promise made to protect the land, their lives they trade. With steadfast hearts and spirits bold, they write new tales of valor untold. Today, we pause in respect for the sacrifices we won't forget. Jai Hind we cry, with the voices strong, to the army that defends us lifelong. Thank you.
Thank you both of you for being a part of this program and sharing your vast experience and enlightening us. We are excited to share this unique and meaningful flag badges with you. Each badge represents pride, unity and spirit of our community. Whether you are collecting or celebrating them or proudly wearing them, we hope they bring a sense of connection and pride to everyone. So, let's welcome all the dignitaries on the stage to wear the badges. Thank you.